Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. He teaches at Columbia University, has done some acting, flew on 2 shuttle missions as an astronaut at NASA, was the first person to tweet from space, and now Mike Massimino is helping to promote an innovative new oven that will be sent up to the International Space Station later this year.
It's new technology developed by Zero G Kitchen and Nano, 2 companies working together to be able to give us the capability to bake things in space. And the first thing that's going to be baked in space is a chocolate chip cookie.
With DoubleTree by Hilton, known for its fresh-baked cookies, as a sponsor. But there is some real science going on with this.
They're not really sure of how it's going to turn out. How will the dough rise? How will the cookie form? You don't have gravity in space.
Stay tuned. Hopefully, we'll know this fall. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code TEXTINATION to save 10%. That's gosun.co.